Finally, the S23 is arrived, the S23 Ultra. This one is the box of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can see there are some difference. It's always smaller. Also from here. It's the serial. Okay, let's load this way and this way. Okay, that way we keep both anonymous. Let's open it. You can go, you can come. Okay, we keep this one here. First unboxing. Nice. Samsung picture. There is also another layer, protection layer. Okay. Oh, it's exactly the same, almost. This is more white, the one on the left. I think so. Yeah, this is Jack. Very close, huh? Maybe smaller, some minor differences. Also it's the same. Also it's the same. I like more this white. It's more white. Okay, let's open it later. They are exactly the same. My cat is killing me. No! Okay, I have to close the video. Anyway, see you later. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, of course, try to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Let's do this way.